What's your name?
My name is Sarah. I am 10 years old. I live in a small town. I like to read books. My favorite color is blue.
How old are you?
I am 12 years old. I was born in 2012. I go to school every day. My birthday is in May. I have a big cake on my birthday.
Where are you from?
I am from Spain. It is a beautiful country in Europe. I live in a big city called Madrid. I speak Spanish and a little English. I love the food in my country.
What do you like to do?
I like to play football. I also love drawing pictures. After school, I watch TV. On weekends, I visit my friends. I like playing video games too.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. He is brown and small. I walk with him every morning. He likes to play with a ball.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow. It is bright and happy. I have a yellow backpack. I also have a yellow pencil case. Yellow makes me feel good.
Where do you go to school?
I go to Green Valley School. It is near my house. I walk to school every day. I have many friends at school. We learn many things.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get dressed and eat breakfast. After breakfast, I brush my teeth. Then I walk to school with my friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Anna. She is very kind and funny. We sit together in class. We love to play games after school. Anna helps me with my homework.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I like it with cheese and tomatoes. I eat pizza on Fridays with my family. It tastes very good. We also drink soda with pizza.
What is your teacher's name?
My teacher's name is Mr. Brown. He is very nice. He teaches us English and math. He is always happy. He helps us when we don't understand.
What subjects do you like?
I like English and art. In English, we read stories and learn new words. In art, I draw and paint. I also enjoy math because I like numbers. All my subjects are fun.
How do you go to school?
I walk to school. My house is near the school. Sometimes my dad drives me in his car. I like walking with my friends. The walk is about 10 minutes long.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer. It is hot and sunny. We don't go to school in summer. I like to swim in the pool. We also eat ice cream in the summer.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal for breakfast. I also drink milk. Sometimes I have toast with butter. My mom makes pancakes on Sundays. I eat breakfast at 7:30 a.m.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading books. My favorite book is about animals. I read for 30 minutes every day. I also go to the library. I borrow books from the library.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball. I play it with my friends. We play at school during lunch. I am good at shooting the ball. I want to play on a team.
What do you do after school?
After school, I do my homework. Then I play with my friends. Sometimes I watch TV. I also help my mom in the kitchen. After dinner, I read a book.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. He is 5 years old. His name is Tom. We play together every day. Sometimes we fight, but we love each other.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat. Cats are soft and cute. I like how they purr. I have a black cat at home. Her name is Luna.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice. It is sweet and fresh. I drink it in the morning. Sometimes I drink it with my lunch. I love it because it is healthy.
What do you do on the weekend?
On the weekend, I play with my friends. I also watch cartoons on TV. My family goes to the park on Sunday. We have picnics in the park. Sometimes I visit my grandparents.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Tom and Jerry. It is very funny. I watch it every afternoon. I like how the cat and mouse run. It always makes me laugh.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I like to draw pictures. I draw animals and trees. I use colored pencils and markers. My favorite color to use is blue. I hang my pictures on the wall.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I hear the alarm and get out of bed. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I get dressed for school. Finally, I have breakfast.
What do you wear to school?
I wear a uniform to school. It is a white shirt and blue pants. I also wear black shoes. Sometimes we can wear our own clothes on special days. I like my uniform because it's simple.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. My favorite songs are happy and fast. I listen to music with my headphones. I also sing along to the songs. Music makes me feel good.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing. I dance with my friends at parties. We listen to music and dance together. Sometimes I dance in my room. Dancing makes me happy.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is the apple. Apples are sweet and crunchy. I eat an apple every day. I like red apples the most. They are very good for health.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is a carrot. Carrots are orange and crunchy. I eat them with salad. They are good for your eyes. My mom puts carrots in our dinner.
What is your favorite number?
My favorite number is 7. It is a lucky number. I see this number a lot. It is easy to remember. My birthday is on the 7th of May.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream. My favorite flavor is chocolate. I eat ice cream in the summer. It is cold and sweet. I also like strawberry ice cream.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I do my homework. After that, I have dinner with my family. Then we watch TV together. Sometimes I read a book before bed. I go to bed at 9 p.m.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen. It is a story about two sisters. They live in a cold, snowy place. I love the songs in the movie. The characters are very nice.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming. I swim in the pool near my house. My friends and I swim together. We play with a ball in the water. Swimming is fun and good exercise.
What do you wear in winter?
In winter, I wear a warm coat. I also wear gloves and a hat. The weather is cold and sometimes it snows. I like to wear boots too. My coat is very soft and keeps me warm.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 p.m. I brush my teeth before bed. Then I read a book for 10 minutes. After that, I turn off the light. I sleep until 7 a.m.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is a teddy bear. It is soft and brown. I sleep with it every night. I got it for my birthday. Its name is Teddy.
Do you like playing outside?
Yes, I love playing outside. I play with my friends in the park. We run and play ball. Sometimes we ride our bikes. Playing outside is fun.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas. I like the lights and decorations. We have a big tree in our house. We get presents from our family. I love spending time with my family.
What's the weather like today?
Today it is sunny. The sky is blue with no clouds. It is warm outside. I am wearing a t-shirt. It is a perfect day to play outside.
Do you like to ride a bike?
Yes, I love riding my bike. I ride it in the park with my friends. My bike is red and fast. I wear a helmet to stay safe. We ride for hours.
What's your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day of the week is Saturday. We don't have school on Saturday. I can sleep late. I play with my friends all day. Saturdays are always fun.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is hide and seek. I play it with my friends. One person hides and the others find them. It is so exciting. We laugh a lot when we play.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose. Roses are red and smell nice. My mom grows them in the garden. I like to pick them and put them in a vase. Roses are very beautiful.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love going to the beach. I like swimming in the sea. I also like building sandcastles. We eat ice cream at the beach. The beach is very relaxing.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is cake. I like chocolate cake the most. We have cake on birthdays. It is sweet and delicious. Sometimes I eat it with ice cream.
Do you like playing video games?
Yes, I like playing video games. My favorite game is Minecraft. I play it after finishing my homework. It is fun to build things in the game. I play with my friends online.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Very Hungry Caterpillar. It is a story about a caterpillar who eats many things. The pictures are colorful. I like reading it before bed. The caterpillar turns into a butterfly at the end.